Val, I would tell you to keep doing what you are doing. You are an amazing, impactful speaker, person, and friend.
My life is an addition equation, not a subtraction equation. You will not take away from it.
Talks about grit when she shares her story. Those are the two things that really stick out for me. So with grit, obviously, you have to keep going. You have to keep pushing. You have to keep trying. In this day and age, sometimes young ladies are not sure what they should do. But if they keep trying, if they keep taking step after step, they will get there.
But that grit is when you grind and you mess up and you hit the wall, or you...
Knowing that she is a real, raw, and relevant speaker has always made her top of my list anytime that I want to make sure that we are able to impact our young ladies. Her abilities to connect and engage with the audience are second to none, and I recommend her wholeheartedly.